It's recording. Okay. Hola, Donna. Hola, Jose. I'm back from Ensenada, Mexico. Panchito's right. Mexico is a beautiful city. Especially there's a horse carriage with stereo speakers. If Panchito's with me, I wish I could show him the modern chains. I even got this one, Matzalan. And this one's Matzalan, Mexico. And this is from Ensenada, Mexico. Oh, here you go. You can see what's under my poncho. Oh, wait. Oh, don't worry, Jose. One day my family and I will go to Brazil, so I'll learn your culture. Here we go. Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Perfect.
Hi.
Here you go.
Oh. Oh, you know, the kiss. Thank you. Handshake? Right. Gracias. I'll see you at the parade.